my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Say Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yako right here, and in today's video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to convert your horizontal video to vertical video format for TikTok using CapCut video editing app. A step-by-step tutorial. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are new to this channel and you love CapCut video editing app, remember to click on that subscribe for more tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to convert your horizontal video to vertical video for TikTok or Instagram video upload using CapCut video editing app. So let's begin. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, if you don't have CapCut installed on your phone, if you are using Android phone, just head over to your Play Store right here. Make sure you head over to your Play Store right here. Then you come to the search engine and look for CapCut. Then click on search. So you're going to have the app in your Play Store. Then you can download it. You can see the logo of the app. Now, having downloaded the CapCut app, you're going to have the icon display on your phone, just like what you see right here. So I'm going to click on that. Now, having opened up your CapCut, next thing you want to do is to upload your new project. So you have to click on here, new project. All right, this particular video right here is what I'm going to use as an example. So I'm going to click on the video. Having selected the video, I will click on add. So let's quickly play the video. All right, so this particular video right here, we can simply convert this video from horizontal video to vertical video and upload the video on our TikTok account. So for us to do that, we just need to make sure we come down below right here and swipe this way. And then what we need to do is to make sure we look for aspect ratio. Then right here we have TikTok layouts. Just click on TikTok layout. Then you have your video like this. Now the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on this check mark to accept the transformation of the video. All right, so from your video timeline right here, from your video preview, you can adjust the video frame. So just drag out the video. So make sure you select on the video. Having selected on the video, then you can drag out your video until it's full the canvas of how you want the video to appear. Okay. So by the time we play this video from the beginning, you'll see that this video has been successfully cropped into TikTok format. So this is how you can convert your horizontal footage video to vertical footage and upload it on your TikTok or on Instagram. After you have successfully done it, next thing you want to do is to export your video. And to export your video, you just need to click on here. Then the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on save to device. Boom, the video has been successfully exported. So you can see that this video has been successfully cropped into TikTok or Instagram format. So this is how to convert your horizontal video to vertical for TikTok or Instagram upload. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.